Hi all, this is just a quick video to give you a bit of guidance on how to do monthly tasks. We've got a number of new clients that have come into CIRT of late, and there's been a few changes to some of the layout. So I thought I'd do a very quick update in terms of how to access the My Tasks and a couple of new sort of quick functions we've put in the system. So in short now, whether you're on your phone or whether you're on the computer, the My Task and my dashboard buttons have been put at the top of the tiles on top of the computer. So on your screen, you can quickly, or on your phone, you can quickly crash from My Dashboard to My Tasks without sort of having to sort of think too much about it. The other option around it is you can obviously use either side of here, or you can come up to the top and use the tiles at the top. Or those that have been around for a while, you know that My Tasks have been sitting down here on your, so you can see it easy when you jump on your phone. Now, in simple, some places will be a little bit different. Basically, what happens is every month we put out notices that will inform you about your monthly tasks, and any notice that comes out through the system will come out through notices. If you've got a safe work method statement, if you're in those higher risk activity areas, if it's a swims, you'll get notified of the swims, and again, that swims will become available here in this particular space. You'll click on it, it'll take you to the swims. If you're in our NDIS clients, if you've got participant risk assessments or the like, again, those will sit here. It's simply a matter of clicking on them and following them through. With those in the high risk space, we've now got working at heights rescue plans, which has been a big focus from Safe Work New South Wales at the moment, and a recent conference I attended, they're really focusing on it. So if you're working at heights or you're working on roofs or the like, make sure that you get your working at height rescue plan sorted. If you've got a risk assessment or activity risk assessment in the system, if there's one there for you to sign off on, again, you'll literally click on the link and it will take you straight to that sign off. There's a to-dos process within the system if you want to use it. And again, you can add tasks and the like, and you can allocate those to individual people. A lot of people don't use them, but if it's there, obviously from a business point of view, we use them all the time. What then happens is down the bottom, you'll see that link to current monthly tasks, any training you've got to do, and if you're a supervisor or someone in a management role, it will have a link to an SOP, standard operating procedure, which guides you in terms of what's got to be done from a business point of view. In short, all the staff need to do is each time they see these items here, click on, for example, policy managing work environment facilities, which is this month's focus. We're in September. Basically, all they need to do is work their way through, read the policy. Basically, as you can see it will link to any other documents that are also in the system. If you find an issue or you want to make some change, you can click on make a suggestion to improve the document. And if not, that's fine. And all you have to do is go, I read and confirm the page. What will happen is it will take you back to the front page again. You will see here that it's telling me that I've already completed that. So what it means is you can still go back into the document, but you can't sign off on it again because it's already been signed off on. And that way you don't double up. We've changed it over the last sort of 6 months to stop people doubling up and ending up with the same documentation in there. And the same thing applies to your toolboxes. What happens with the toolbox is what we suggest is that people can actually read or listen to the toolboxes are done in videos, so they can listen or watch it first. And then what that means is they can again confirm that they've read the page. And then when you run your toolboxes each month, what it allows you to do is confirm that people have done it. Or you might have a toolbox where you get people to jump in the system at the time, watch the toolbox, sign off while they're there if that's your particular process. Different businesses will do it slightly different, but that's the whole purpose of having the toolboxes there, so you can either do them with them and they can sign off. That way there's no argument about whether someone's attended the toolbox and done it or not. That's it. That's how difficult monthly tasks are. They can be as simple. If you're in the work health and safety space in the system, you'll just see these two, obviously. If you're in the anti-money laundering and counter-terrorism financing space, which are basically our club clients, you'll see the AML CTF task as well. Take care.